Excuse me. Okay, we got everything wired up with a plastic loom over top of it. Here's our wire. It comes off the power supply. It comes over here. And this is our first H intersection. This one here will go to the front. This one here goes 4 feet to the back. Goes across the center harness. And you can see its T configuration there. One to the front, one to the rear. We move them all together. And all 4 of them in operation together. There you go. There's our wiring harness for across the top. 4 feet across the top, 1 foot off each T to the front, and 3 feet to the rear.